What day is today? I think it is Monday, start of a new week. And Jess started early, trying to get things insulated in the storage room. She got all the lower walls insulated. And I don't think she got, this is all from the other space, but she got all the insulation done. She was hoping to start actually slapping up OSB today, but just didn't get time to do that. I spent all evening running the underground line for the solar. So Ian came out, helped me. We pulled all the line down underneath. It runs up the barn to an LB and then runs across over here. There's too much stuff underground here already. I did not want to have to worry about going underground and then messing with the concrete slab. So it's all coming up over here. So I've got to terminate here to run a line down to this system. And then there'll be more coming across, going to a junction box that I'll mount on the front of the barn. And then I'm trying to just get these last few lines buttoned up in here. I have to change gears a little bit with how I'm wiring things up. But we've got, just the one rope light in here. It does not give any light anymore because it's so much higher. But little progress today. I'll be happy once I get this solar stuff on the Coop buttoned up. It's hard to get a lot of this taken care of when you really have a short time frame to work on all of it. I've got from 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Is when I try to get done. And then, Jess has things to do, running around the house. She tries to work around inside the house, running, soccer practice, all that fun stuff. So that really takes away from her time that she can be out here buttoning things up too. But we are getting close. I know I say that a lot. And I figure the more I keep saying it, the faster we'll get to actually being done. So I would imagine tomorrow this should be all sheathed. I don't know so much about the upper section over here yet, but should be able to get the sheeting done. I do have more liquid tight showing up tomorrow so that I can run my line up into the rafters up here for a light. And I think up there it's just going to be an outlet because I've got some special lights that'll be coming for in here. But we'll be able to get that all finished up tomorrow, hopefully as well. Not the light, but at least have the outlet up there. And then I could actually just have the rope light be up there. But yeah, coming along. Another day done. We'll see what tomorrow holds. So I forgot to do an update last night, so it would be Tuesday night. Jess was working inside yesterday. I don't remember if this was all up or not, but she was putting blocking in place, trying to get spots for insulation. She wasn't able to work too long in here because it took a while cutting and ripping pieces for the insulation. And then at the end of the day, yesterday, I came over and was working in the run. Get the door out of the way. The temp door. So I got our light switch in, and conduit ran up there for power. So now I can flip the switch and the rope lights light up. I've gotten other lights coming that'll replace the rope light, but for now it works. And then I was working on running grounding line and I got to do a lot of cleanup with these solar wires still. I need to figure out exactly how I need them run. But I did try to clean this up a little bit. I'm still debating on whether or not I'm going to put a piece of conduit just right back here just to make it look a little bit better. Got this all bent. Maybe I did that the night before. I don't know. It all blends together. But yeah, I just ended up spending a whole lot of time back in the run here last night until it was past dark before I could actually record the update. But on another note, for Wednesday, I have most of the solar panels all temped in, and so we're actually using all of them right now for providing power. So this side of the coop is running over to the Blue Eddy system to recharge it. I've got a bunch of temp wires right there for the other side of the coop, which is being run into the house. So for the first time today, we're actually utilizing all of our panels to recharge all of our systems, which is pretty cool. Well, Saturday update. I've been working on the coop all day. Really haven't been able to do a whole lot this week. Actually had to work on some other projects, lawn work I've been neglecting. Jess had been working on a cake, but today we got the sheeting up in the coop, in the storage room at least, and almost all of it in the coop side. Just really have this one section that we have to finish up. But other than that, everything's all good. Oh, it looks like we got a little strip right here to do too. And then, oh, I don't know what's next. Probably painting. Just put a coat of white paint on stuff. Got to do something with the floor still. We're talking about trying to find like linoleum scraps or remnants or something just to put down, make the floor easier to clean up. Over here, we could start building the brooder box, really. And really, I mean, that's about it. Just been working in here all day. It's toasty. Just pulled insulation down, so we've got 1-inch foam insulation that we're gonna actually put between the purlins up here on the roof just to help keep some of the heat out. And we'll do that on both sides. But yeah, lots of work today, but I'm glad we got it done. Because that means that we're one step closer to finally being done with this thing. So yeah, we've got paint, floor, doors, and then really it's you know, finishing touches like putting hardware cloth along the soffits and stuff like that just to keep critters and bugs out. I don't know if the ducks are liking being back in the run again. They're probably not liking being locked up at night, but more progress, so we'll see where we end up getting next week.